next digital passport lesson is called ShareJumper. Here's Eva's story when messages spread.
Me and my friend, we were having a sleepover, and so we were chatting with our friend on the computer. We're talking about personal stuff and things, because we didn't think that anyone else would see, because it's on our email. We have a password, right, so no one can see. And we said some inappropriate things, and then her dad, he was on her email, and he came upon the chat that we were on, and then he emailed the chat that we had to my mom. My mom was asking me why I would say that stuff, and yeah, I still don't really know why. I probably wouldn't say that in person because it's inappropriate, and I knew that. If you're talking to someone in person, you're, face to face, and then you're actually having a real conversation. It's easier to experiment online. It seems like it is your diary in a way, because you think you have a password and it's secret, but it's not secret, and people can get in and look at your stuff. Maybe no one will see it publicly, but I think that people can see it. I don't think it actually goes away forever. Stuff online is not private. Anyone can find out, even if it was the person who I was chatting right next to, or if it was the person who I was chatting wherever they are. They can show someone else. They could print it out. You do have to be careful.
The vocabulary word that you need for this lesson is private information. Details about yourself, such as the date of your birth or full name. These are pieces of information that someone could use to pretend to be you on the internet. Today we will reflect on the benefits of sharing online, while acknowledging that info can spread fast and far. Through playing the game ShareJumper, I will classify info that should be kept private online. I will predict the effects that an online post or message might have on someone's reputation. I want you to imagine for a second if you had a secret and you wrote it down on a piece of paper. Would you be able to erase that secret that you wrote down? It probably wouldn't have erased very well. If you were to write this secret on the internet and then take it down a day later, do you think it would be gone? There's something called a digital footprint that we need to think about. So, someone else could copy the message that we put down and send it to others before we got it taken down off the internet. That might be saved in other places. And on the internet, it is impossible to make sure the message goes away forever. So our digital footprint, when we post on a website, a video, a picture, words, it's there. And even though we think it's gone, if we take it down or a few days go by, nobody sees it anymore, is commenting on it, so you never know if somebody could have taken a picture of that, a screenshot of what you put. They could have sent it on to other people without you knowing it. So everything that you do leaves a footprint behind, and it never really goes away. Now we are going to play ShareJumper. Remember to resume your game and type in your username